Hello friends, in this session we will discuss about the Recognize tool present in Generative Shape Design Workbench in CATIA software. Now as we know that the Recognize tool is basically used to convert a solid part into a sheet metal part, but this tool has a capability to convert not only parts which are created in CATIA from solid to sheet metal, but also if we are using an imported part, then also we can easily convert it into a sheet metal part. So first I will open the imported part1.igs. So this is a imported part and it has got by default no part history. Here we can see that this part contains fillets which will be ultimately get converted to bends, and this is a hollowed out part having a thickness because for converting a part into a sheet metal part it has to have a thickness. In order to convert it into a sheet metal part, we have to go to Generative Sheet Metal Design Workbench, and here before conversion make sure while inputting the sheet metal parameters input the thickness, what is the actual thickness of the part. So here I know the actual thickness is 5 mm and bend radius or fillet radius is 20 mm. I will say OK, and then in walls toolbar we can go to recognize feature, and here for reference face I will select this particular base face. This will be converted into a base wall and rest all the features will be converted into secondary walls. And now I will click on preview and then OK. As soon as I hit OK, we can see here that the materials from the intersection of the fillet surfaces has been removed by the software to avoid intersection. And finally, to develop this particular part in views toolbar, we have the option of fold unfold. So in this manner we can see that this imported part has been converted into a sheet metal by the recognized feature tool and it has opened up. One more thing, for example, if we want to check the thickness of this particular part manually, here we have the option of measure between. So I can go to measure between if we want to check the manually the thickness and select any two edges, and here we can get the thickness of the part. So this is the method to make the calculations regarding to thickness and fillets. Here also we have an option of measure item. In measure item I can get select any arc, and here we can also get the radius, that is 20 mm. So these tools are very much helpful in calculating the features whenever we are working on a sheet metal project, and no matter whether our part is created in CATIA or any other software, by using the recognize feature option we can easily convert it into a sheet metal if initially it is a solid. I hope you find this video session useful. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any feedbacks or suggestions, please type your response in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.